Welcome back, students. This is the seventh part of the video on the chapter Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. Our today's topic is plastics and the environment. In the previous part of our video, we have discussed about properties of plastics. We learned about all the good things related to plastics, that they are light, less expensive, heat resistance, poor conductor of heat and electricity. So, as plastics have got all the good things with it, and that is why we make so many things made up of plastics. But actually, when you really look at it, you see that plastics harm the environment. Plastic is not good for our environment. Why? That's because plastics are non-biodegradable. Now you might ask, what is the meaning of non-biodegradable? Any type of solid waste which we throw can be categorized into two types. One is biodegradable, the other is non-biodegradable. Now, what do we mean by biodegradable and what do we mean by non-biodegradable? Biodegradable waste can be easily broken down into simple harmless substances by the action of microorganisms like bacteria. This type of waste products will be broken down into further simpler forms, and that's how they get mixed up with the environment and used up in the environment. So they do not cause any harm to the environment. For example, all our kitchen wastes, paper waste or vegetable waste are the example of biodegradable waste. What happened to these wastes? When we throw them in the dustbin and from there it goes to some garbage area. Now you would have seen that every city has got some landfill or garbage area where all the waste of that locality are being thrown. They are acted upon by a lot of microorganisms. Microorganisms decompose these wastes and break them into simpler forms, which in turn are used as fertilizer by the plants. By this, these kinds of waste substances get degraded and mixed with soil. All the important nutrients go into the soil and they act as fertilizer for the plants. This is how biodegradable wastes recycle in the environment. They do not cause any harm to the environment. Instead, they actually help in increasing the fertility of the soil. We have the other type of wastes called non-biodegradable waste. They cannot be broken into simple, harmless substances by the action of microorganisms like bacteria. As I told you that plastics are non-biodegradable, the more we use plastics, the more it is getting accumulated in our environment. So, what do we do with that accumulation? Because nothing can happen to that plastic. So it is simply being added up, and at the same time it can even cause harm because they cannot be digested by any living organisms. Lot of insects or small birds eat it up and then they get choked and they die. Decomposition of plastic wastes leads to the large number of health and environmental hazards. Plastic do not get completely burned and produce toxic gases and smoke that causes air pollution. When plastic wastes are dumped in water, they cause water pollution. We throw poly bags, wrappers of chips, biscuits and other eatables on the road or in parks. This not only makes the place ugly but also provides breeding grounds for many diseases causing germs and insects.